Hello everyone! For this vlog guys, magluluto ako ng sinabawang bisugo. Alright? O pinangat, o ano ba yan tinatawag dyan? Tinulang bisugo. Ayan guys, lalaki guys. Ito lang yung maliit, paaman. Ayan. Mahigit isa't kalahating kilo ito guys. Ayan. At ito ang aking mga ingredients guys. Mayroon tayong mustasa leaves. Mayroon akong okra. Ayan. Long green pepper. Siling pangsigang. Mayroon tayong scallion, sibuyas, luya na hiniwa, kamatis na hinog. Ayan. At saka mayroon tayong pangpasipa ang sili. Alright guys. Handa na ang lahat. So let's get started na. Ayan, mainit na yung ating kasirula guys. Ilagay ko na itong ating pinalinis na sabaw guys. Kung mayroon kayong hugas sa bigas, mas nasarap guys. Yan, pakuluin natin ang gusto. O yan, di ba mabilis lang kumulo guys. Ilalagay ko na yung mga luya guys. Ayan. At ang sibuyas. Ayan. Siling pangsipa. At ang kamatis guys. Ayan. Yung iba na magluto ng ganito guys, nilalagyan nila ng lemongrass o tanglad. Pero sa akin, enough na para sa aking version ang luya, ginger. Okay, let's get boiled guys. Ayan guys, kulong-kulo na guys. Ating pisain yung kamatis guys. Honest version ng sinabawang bisugo. Ang English nga pala sa bisugo guys ay thread fin brim. Ayan. Thread fin brim. Yan yung English ng bisugo. Ayan guys, Maglagay pala ako ng shrimp cube guys. Optional lang, optional. Then I will add this siling pangsigang guys, or long green pepper. 30 seconds guys. Check guys. Ayan. Boiling. I will add this lady fingers. Ganito kalalaki ang bisugo dito guys. I will add also the bisugo. Ayan. Alright. There are 4 big bisugo and 1 small. Ayan. Ayan guys, saglit lang ito guys. Alright. 1 minute. Let's check. It's boiling now. Yan guys. Yan. So I will add little amount of ground black pepper, guys. 1 spoon. Yan. Let us taste to make sure the taste. It's okay, but I will add little amount of patis fish sauce, guys, 2 tablespoons. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Oh. Wow. At this point, I will add now the scallion. Ayan. Dagdag sa flavor. Guys, kung kayo magluto, guys, kung gusto niyo yung may lemongrass, lagyan niyo ng lemongrass. But for me, ginger is enough for me. For my version. Yeah. Alright, guys. Ayan o. 30 seconds. Let's check, guys. Let's check. Ayan na, guys. Oh. Guys, kung mayroon kayong kangkong, guys, gamit kayo ng kangkong. O di kaya talbos ng kamote. Pero wala kasi akong makita, guys, kaya I will use mustard leaves. Ayan. Mustard leaves. Ayan, guys. Oh. Masarap din ito, guys, mustard leaves. Alright. Almost in game na. Game over. Okay. Let's cover and let's off the heat. Let the residual heat to do the cooking, and we will wait for the palaway portion. Alright, guys. Thank you. At nakarating kayo dito sa portion na kung saan ito yung exciting portion na palaway portion. Okay? At titikman na natin ang tinolang bisugo or sinabawang bisugo or may mga tawag pang iba nito eh. Pero sa akin, tinolang bisugo. Ayan. So alam nyo ba kung anong kulang nito, guys? Sinugba na lang at kinilaw. Kapag pinaghalo mo yung tatlo, pinagsama-sama mo yung tatlo na ulam, sinugba, tinola, at saka kinilaw, ayan na, shoot to kill na. Shoot to kill. Alright, guys, let's start. Gutom na. Okay. Ito, ang laki na kasi, guys, na ano kasi ako, guys, kasi ang laki ng bisugo na nakita ko sa fish market. Alright, first bite for you. Ayan, oh. Uy. Malinamnam. Ang sarap ng sabaw, guys. At mayroon pa tayong dahon ng mustasa. Ayan, oh. Ayan, mustard leaf. Kailangan kong kanin. Lady finger. Yan o. Uy. Manamis-namis yung ano, yung sabaw. Alright guys. Muli maraming salamat sa patuloy ninyong pagsusubaybay sa aking Manny's Version Cooking. At sa inyong mga comments guys, your comments really exciting. At nabubus yung aking sarili para mas lalo kung galingan ang pagluluto guys. Kaya thank you so much for the love and support to my cooking video. And once again, thank you so much, and until next time, God bless us always guys, and thank you very much. Please subscribe. Bye bye. Thank you.